Hi, I'm Greg from Pivot Stove and Heating. If you're looking at purchasing a wood heater for your home, but your home is not standard, say you've got a 2-story home or you've got massive high cathedral ceilings, that means that your wood heater is going to have more flue on it than what the heater was originally designed to have. The more flue you have on your wood heater means the more draft. Now the draft is what actually makes the wood heater work. It sucks the air into the heater. So if you have way too much air coming into your heater, you're going to lose your overnight burn and the heater will not run the way the manufacturer has designed that heater to work. You need to check this out. This is called a draft breaker, or what Pacific Energy call it is an extended burn time, or an EBT. And what this does, it naturally breaks the draft of the heater down so the heater will run normally no matter what your flue conditions are. The EBT is automatic. There's no need for secondary air controls. You don't even know it's there. So if your home is not standard and you're looking for a wood heater, check out the Pacific Energy range of wood heaters. The EBT technology is available in a whole range of these models, including the Neos, one of the most efficient wood heaters on the market. Guaranteed to burn all night long, no matter what the conditions are.
Available at Bensdale Stoves, Great Alpine Road in Bensdale.